Welcome back to the E-Word video course A1 plus level. Let's continue with the text about Anna. In exercise 5, let's tackle with some questions. In the sentence Ovo je Ana, why not say Ova je Ana? We did discuss that words describing a noun always have the same ending as the noun, at least in the nominative case. Here, ovo je Ana doesn't match. It's because ovo is a demonstrative pronoun, and every time it stands in front of the verb biti, to be, like in this case the verb je, it doesn't take the noun form. It actually becomes an adverb and it doesn't change the form. It stays ovo. Adverb forms, unlike adjective forms, always have the same form as the neuter singular adjective form. So we say ovo je Ana. These demonstrative pronouns are ovo, to, ono. But let's take a look at the difference in meanings. Ovo, when we point to something, this, is close to the person speaking. To, that, is close to the person I'm speaking to. Ono, also that in English, because there are no three different words, like in Serbian, ono is far away from both of us. Then, in the sentence on je arhitekta, why not say on je architect? Because the word architect doesn't exist. There are some professions like arhitekta, ekonomista, sudija, and so on, that always end in a, no matter if we speak about men or women. So, on je arhitekta, even though on is masculine, he, arhitekta will always be arhitekta. Then the word takođe. Do you know what does it mean? The translation is too, as well. Because children, like in English, is an irregular noun, let's take a look at the forms in Serbian. It's dete, deca. Then the word tek, the meaning is just, only. The word još means more or still, depending on the context. And something that is different from the English language, speaking about age, we could say in English he is 6 years old, but in Serbian it is literally he has 6 years. So it would be on ima 6 godina. Now let's take a look at exercise 6. To repeat some of the vocabulary from the text, as well as the cases that we are learning, let's match the left and the right column. U Beogradu, that's for location, the locative case. 1a. U centru, the same situation, location, the locative case. 2f. U centru grada, also locative for location. 3c. Ima 4 godine. The verb imati, to have, requires the accusative case. However, the number 4 trumps that, and godine becomes genitive singular. So the numbers 2, 3, 4 require the next word to be in genitive singular, whereas the numbers 5 to 20 require the next word to be in genitive plural. Number 5, ide u vrtić, because the verb ide, goes, is movement, then the next word must be the accusative case. So, 5, g, go to a destination, accusative. The same situation is with number 7, ide u osnovnu školu. 7, h. Then, 8, ima 2 godine. Ima requires the accusative case, however, because 2 godine follows, then godine becomes the genitive case. Now let's analyze the sentence u centru grada je dobar sladoled in exercise 7. So let's answer the questions. How many nouns are there in the phrase u centru grada? Well, we have 2 nouns, centar and grad. However, they take specific case forms. U centru is the locative case because it's the location, but then grada is the genitive case. The reason for that is that every time we have 2 or more nouns next to each other, the first noun could take any case depending on the context of the sentence, but the second noun is always in the genitive case. It is similar to saying in English, in the center of the city. Every time there is a phrase that you can translate in English to of something, that usually means it's the genitive case in Serbian. Other examples of this situation where we have 2 nouns next to each other could be čaša vode, a glass of water. Čaša is nominative and vode is genitive singular.